We just found out why Ford and Hyundai are nervous. The Hilux Champ is coming to America, and it breaks every rule the compact truck market has followed for years. 7 reasons explain why this launch is about to change everything you thought you knew about affordable trucks. Let's dive in. Reason 7. Respectable size with genuine proportions. When you hear the Hilux Champ classified as a compact pickup, expect something that actually looks like a truck. This isn't a miniaturized novelty hauler. The dimensions speak for themselves. The short wheelbase version stretches 108.3 inches, with an overall length around 185 inches. The long wheelbase option extends to 121.5 inches, with a total length between 195.7 and 198.4 inches, depending on the configuration. These measurements put it firmly in mid-size territory despite the compact label, which means you're getting legitimate interior and bed capacity without parking lot nightmares. Compare this to the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz, which both max out at 52.1 inches of bed length. The Hilux Champ's proportions are fundamentally different. You're looking at an actual truck silhouette that photographers won't need to shoot from creative angles to make it look substantial. The wheelbase to length ratio creates real usable space, transforming a compact designation into something far more practical than competitors in this space. Reason 6. Configuration flexibility that changes everything. The Maverick gives you one setup. The Santa Cruz gives you one setup. The Hilux Champ gives you choices that competitors haven't considered. Multiple cab configurations allow you to prioritize exactly what matters. Need maximum passenger seating for a crew? There's a configuration. Want to maximize bed length for cargo? That's available too. But the real game changer is the chassis cab version, which opens possibilities that most compact buyers don't even know they're missing. A blank slate from the factory eliminates thousands in custom modifications. Flatbed conversions, utility bodies, dump beds, food truck setups, specialized commercial equipment. The Hilux Champ is designed as a platform that can be finished to match almost any purpose. This flexibility creates long-term value that extends far beyond the initial purchase. As more trucks enter service, aftermarket companies will develop accessories and modifications specifically engineered for this platform, meaning personalization potential increases over time rather than peaking at purchase. Reason 5. Bed length that actually works. The Hilux Champ offers 2 bed configurations, both delivering genuine cargo capacity. The 5.9-foot bed handles camping gear, landscaping materials, and adventure equipment without awkward compromises. But the 7.6-foot option is where this truck makes a statement. Full sheets of plywood fit flat inside. 8-foot lumber loads without dangerous overhang. Multiple dirt bikes fit side by side. This isn't marketing speak. It's actual functional capacity that solves real problems that current compact trucks create. The Santa Cruz and Maverick, locked at 4.3 feet, force users to make painful choices. Either accept that boards will stick out past the tailgate flapping red flags, or invest in a roof rack solution that negates the compact advantage. The Hilux Champ's longer bed eliminates this entire frustration entirely, giving you configuration flexibility without sacrificing the practical size advantage that defines the compact segment. Reason 4. Body-on-frame construction matters. While the Maverick and Santa Cruz ride on unibody platforms, borrowed from SUV siblings, the Hilux Champ is built with genuine body-on-frame construction. This architectural difference delivers durability that unibody designs simply cannot match. When you're bouncing down rough terrain or hauling loads that push your truck's limits, that separate frame absorbs punishment that would stress a unibody structure in ways that show up years down the road. This is the difference between a truck that remains tight at 150,000 miles and one that develops squeaks you can't trace to a source. Anyone who's pulled a heavy trailer knows that sinking feeling climbing a steep grade, wondering if your truck is up to the task. Body-on-frame construction distributes heavy loads across a dedicated frame engineered specifically for that purpose. rather than asking the vehicle's body to do double duty. The frame allows for suspension travel and articulation that unibody designs cannot achieve. This translates into better traction on uneven terrain and higher towing capacities and payload ratings that actually mean something. The separate body also simplifies lift kits and upgraded suspension without compromising structural integrity, making aftermarket customization far more straightforward. Reason 3. Powertrain options for real work. Globally, the Hilux Champ features 2.0-liter and 2.7-liter petrol engines, alongside a 2.4-liter diesel option. The 2.0-liter delivers 134 horsepower and 136 pound-feet of torque, proven in developing markets. The 2.7-liter brings 160 horsepower and 181 pound-feet from Toyota's established Tacoma architecture. For the North American market, Toyota is expected to adapt its powertrains to meet emission standards, likely introducing a 2.5-liter gasoline option and potentially hybrid technology. Hybrid systems are being engineered to slash fuel costs dramatically, while enhancing the low-end torque that truck owners actually need. Crawling up steep trails, maneuvering in tight spaces, or pulling away from a stop with a loaded bed, that electric motor provides instant torque that eliminates turbo lag and makes the truck more responsive in real-world work scenarios. This efficiency advantage becomes impossible to ignore when tracking fuel expenses month after month. Reason 2. Built for customization. Toyota's approach reveals exactly what makes this truck special. Rather than loading it with features most buyers don't need, the company is providing a solid foundation that can be configured exactly as required. Want a bare-bones work truck? Keep it simple and save money. Need specialized equipment for your business? The Hilux Champ is ready to accept whatever modifications make sense. This philosophy creates an ecosystem of customization that grows over time. As more trucks hit roads, aftermarket companies will develop countless accessories specifically for this platform. You're buying into a truck that will have more personalization potential years from now than it does on day one. Reason 1. Price. That changes the conversation. Current global pricing sits around $13,200, with estimates suggesting US models might land in the $20,000 to $25,000 range if approved for the American market. Even at these projected prices, the Hilux Champ drastically undercuts everything else. The Maverick starts at $28,145, the Santa Cruz at $31,100. Think about what this means for your wallet. You're saving thousands at purchase compared to competitors, and then saving more through hybrid efficiency if that option becomes available. The math improves when factoring in Toyota's legendary reliability reputation, lower maintenance costs, longer service intervals, and proven durability mean the Hilux Champ will cost less to own over 10 years than trucks costing significantly more upfront. This pricing strategy opens truck ownership to buyers priced out by relentless inflation. Small business owners can suddenly equip entire fleets without crushing debt. Young families finally have a viable truck option that doesn't demand $35,000 upfront. With mid-size proportions and a compact footprint, endless configuration possibilities, genuine body-on-frame durability, multiple powertrain choices, and pricing that redefines market economics, the Hilux Champ is preparing to rewrite what affordable trucks can be. If you want to stay updated on this truck's US debut and what it means for the market, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the announcement.